right, so I'll do one more with you and then I'll have you try out the last one. So we have a compound that has 17.6% hydrogen, 82.4% nitrogen. We want the empirical formula. So step 1, we're going to assume we have 100 grams. So mass of hydrogen, 17.6 grams. Mass of nitrogen, we have 82.4 grams. Step 2, we're going to find the moles for each one. 17.6 grams divided by 1.01 grams per mole is equal to, so 17.6 divided by 1.01. So we get 17.426 moles. Okay, we're going to do moles of nitrogen. So 82.4 grams divided by 14.01. So 82.4 divided by 14.01. So we have here, right, 5.8815 moles. Okay, so step number 3, we're going to take our smaller value of moles, which is our nitrogen, and divide it with everything, including in itself. So for hydrogen, right, this is going to be 17.426 moles divided by 5.8815 moles, which equals, so 17.426 divided by 5.8815. So we get 2.96, but remember if it's within 0.1, we can round that. So you're only rounding at this third step here when you're doing your ratios. And then of course nitrogen, it's going to be divided by itself, so we know the answer here is going to be 1. Okay, so this now becomes our subscripts. So the formula is 1 nitrogen for every 3 hydrogen. So that's our empirical formula. Okay, so give this next one a try. I believe that's the last one, yes. So give this a try. Pause the video, calculate the empirical formula. So we have 68.4% chromium, 31.6% oxygen, and we want the empirical formula. Okay, so step 1, right, chromium, we have the mass, I should have put mass, 68.4 grams, mass of oxygen, 31.6 grams. Number 2, moles. So this is going to be 68.4 grams over, let me look this up, basically 52 grams per mole. Okay, so we have 68.4 divided by 52. So we get 1.3154 moles. And then our moles of oxygen, 31.6 grams over 16 grams per mole, which gives us 31.6 divided by 16, 1.975 moles. Okay, so next we have to find our ratio. So our smallest value of moles is the chromium. So chromium is going to be the number 1 because it's divided by itself. And then oxygen is going to be 1.975 moles divided by 1.3154 moles. So 1.975 divided by 1.3154. So we get a value of 1.5. So we have 1 and 1.5. So we know we are not going to have a formula like this. So we have to essentially multiply everything by a factor to get them to be whole numbers. So you should have gotten here 2 chromium and 3 oxygen as your empirical formula. So there is a way to determine the true formula of a compound, which is the molecular formula, which is what we're going to be covering in our next lesson.